Hello, welcome back. It's Louise. This month I'm playing with the Cottage Dreams kit from Wild Rose Bohemian. I printed off all the pages. Um, I do have a sovereign freebie for you as well that I'll give you the code for when we get to that. I wanted to show you a portion of the papers that are in the kit that I'm going to be working with. So we have all these beautiful pictures. There is a lot, and I've printed on the back. Some of them I've doubled up. I just wanted to give you a quick look at what I'll be playing with. And this isn't all of them. I have some that I haven't printed on the back, some I've printed double, because you never know when you're going to need some extras. Although with this kit, there's so much that you don't even have to download it all. Print it out. That's the one that I haven't printed on the back. And these are ones that I haven't printed anything on the front. That'll just give you an idea. And you could use these for folios and fold them over and make big journaling cards or all sorts. Envelopes. So that's all of them. This is the ones that I printed double of, so you can see. And then there's some, what's that, vertical, horizontal, vertical papers that I've printed off as well. I haven't printed on the back of these ones yet. I don't know if I'm going to. And this is ephemera. So some of these I've printed double so that I can use them across the whole journal. Put some little words there. Teacups, dogs, hats. I just love the colours in this one. There's some smaller washi tape pockets. Smaller pockets come in handy if you're making a folio. And this can be an envelope, or you could make a folio from it. You could just cover that with something else, fold it over and add some little pockets on the other side. Some big envelope fronts. Okay. Seed packets. Some smaller tags as well, they're always handy. Library cards, bigger ones. And that's the smaller room ones. Larger tickets with some more words, but are always handy. So there is a lot across the whole collection, and this is the freebie that you'll get. You've got this, it could be an envelope or use it however you want. That one. Some big tags, another couple of more seed packets and the little bits to go inside. And this one, I think I printed that off in the kit as well. And you've got these little journaling cards. And it's the bigger ones as well. There's 2 other pages in it as well. And it was plain pockets, I think. 2 pages of plain pockets. So you get all these as a freebie and plain pockets that you can paint on, decorate, whatever you want. So for this, I best tell you the code. For this, you go to the link that I'll have down below, and it's in Rosie's coffee shop, which is Wild Rose Bohemian, and the password is Daisy, and as far as I'm aware, it's all capitals. So hopefully you can download that and can play along. I think that this kit, I think it's reduced at the moment. But if you go along to the shop, you'll be able to see what it is. Or if you remember already, then you'll have a lot of this or bits of it, maybe, and you can play along. So this is Cottage Dreams, and you could go a couple of ways with this kit. Really, I don't know what way I'm going yet, but you could go down the flower route, obviously, because there's lots of flowers in it. You could go down the arty route, because she's got the painting in the book. She could be journaling. Yeah, you've got the gardening route as well. So there's a couple options. But I'll just cut everything out, put it all together, and see where we go from there. So hopefully you're going to join in. Remember, the code is Daisy for the freebie for this month, and I hope you join in and have some fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.